whether that's heating, cooling, hot water. It allows them to upgrade to more sustainable options without that upfront cost. Worry-free with great partners like Breezecome.
Hey everyone, this is Eric from Breezecome, and today I'm so honored that we have Shelley here with us. Shelley is the Enbridge Sustain sales manager.
Yep.
Thank you so much for your time to be here with us. Right now, Enbridge Sustain is a major program on the markets, so I just want to have an interview to tell our house owner what the Enbridge program is and what's the benefit for house owners.
Sure, I'm really happy to be here, so thank you so much for inviting me. Enbridge Sustain is lease to own. Lease to own enables every homeowner to be able to afford upgrading their HVAC equipment. So whether that's heating, cooling, hot water, it allows them to upgrade to more sustainable options without that upfront cost. Very affordable monthly payment. It's a great way to budget, and of course you've got the benefit of having full coverage from the service and maintenance over the term of the agreement. So for landlords, it's really all about cash flow. When you're using a lease to own program that enables you to have a predictable monthly payment, that takes care of your cash flow consideration. And then on top of that, you've got the benefit of having no worries in terms of being able to have the equipment serviced and maintained as required. So no surprise repair bills or anything like that. So it's some real peace of mind and predictability for a landlord when leveraging lease to own.
That's great information, Shelley. Can you tell us a little bit more about what's the compare with Enbridge Sustain program with other rental program or financing program? What's the unique advantage for Enbridge Sustain program?
Sure. With the Enbridge Sustain program, we take it one step further. So not only do you get to work with your trusted local partner like Breezecome, who can assist you with everything from right-sizing your equipment and your equipment selection to the installation to all the downstream service and maintenance. Annual maintenance is included, of course. On top of that, our agreement is fully transparent. Towards the back of the agreement, you'll see there's a fully transparent buyout schedule. So at any time, you know exactly what the cost is associated with buying out of the agreement. So it's full disclosure.
What do you offer?
That's right.
Shelley, can you tell us why house owners should choose Enbridge Sustain Trust Partner when they install their furnace, AC, or tankless?
Yeah, so working with one of our trusted partners gives homeowners a peace of mind because all of our trusted partners, as you probably remember, you have to be very thoroughly vetted. So we know that they have high quality installation, service, and maintenance standards. So you know that your trusted partner is going to be there to properly right-size, install, service, and maintain your equipment for the term of the agreement.
That's us. Very one of the trust partners. Looking ahead, what do you think the Enbridge Sustain program clean, affording energy efficiency in Canada's homes?
I think a lot of people feel that upgrading to sustainable and more efficient equipment in their home is unachievable. And lease to own makes it affordable and achievable for every homeowner. And you can do that now. So you don't have to wait for rebate programs or anything like that to make these systems affordable. By having a predictable monthly payment with all of your service and maintenance built right into it.
Worry-free.
Worry-free with great partners like Breezecome.
All right, thank you so much, Shelley, to being here to give us all the good answers. I hope after this interview, also not really feel free to go with Enbridge Sustain programs. Yeah, thank you so much for your time.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thanks.